Akeelah, the passport to your financial future. At Akeelah, we understand that being successful in trading requires discipline, a proven trading strategy, and consistent risk management. For most new investors, and even many current traders, trying to navigate the complex financial markets requires a lot of time, technical knowledge, and experience that most people simply do not have. To help provide an easier gateway into the financial markets, Akeelah is now offering a copy trading system from our AkeelahTraders portfolio. Copy trading allows you to take advantage of many of the trade opportunities in the market without having to take the time to find, execute, or manage the trades. Our copy trade accounts are managed by a team of experienced traders and by our AkeelahTraders advanced AI system, trading autonomously. We want to take time to explain how our copy trade system operates and how simple it is to start taking advantage of opportunities in the market. Our goal is to make access to the trading markets as easy as possible for new and experienced traders. Let's dive into how to get started. The first step is to visit our trading portal at trade.akeelah.io. You will need to sign up to create your account. Complete the required account information and verify your email to complete the account. Once you create your account, return to the home page and scroll to the Accounts section to choose which Akeelah account you wish to follow. We have two accounts available for copy trading, an Akeelah primary account and an Akeelah advanced account. Once you select the account type, you will be able to see recent trade history from the account and other statistics. You will need to select Follow Signal, then continue with selecting the billing details. Our copy trading subscription is only $150 per month, and all copy trading is done on a 50-50 profit split basis. The monthly subscription is billed on the first of each month, and your account will be prorated according to the time of the month that you begin. At the end of each month, your account will be billed for the profit split portion from profits gained by copying our trades. To complete your setup, you now need to return to the main page and go to the Accounts section under Configurator. You will need to attach your MT4 account to the trade copier. You can add an existing MT4 account, or if you do not have one, you can follow the link to open an account with our preferred broker LQDFX. Once you have your MT4 account information, be sure to fill in the login details exactly as they are from your MT4 broker. Next, you need to set up your trade copier to start copying Akeelah's trades. Go to the trade copier section and follow the steps to complete this setup. You will select the Akeelah account you want to copy from. Then select your MT4 account to send to. Select the appropriate risk settings. The default settings are to use a risk multiplier by balance with the multiplier of 1. With this setting, all trades that you copy are scaled according to your account size. Create the copier and agree to the copy terms to complete this step. Note, there is a knowledge base help guide and support available if you need any assistance. The final step is to configure your trade copier for any other settings that you wish to use. Go to the Settings section of the trade copier to see and adjust these settings. From here, you can adjust your risks, set up any trading pairs that you do not want to trade and other copy preferences you want. Be sure you understand the settings and consult the knowledge base for help if you need it. You can also contact support if you need specific help with your settings. If you are not using our preferred broker LQDFX, you will need to make sure that the broker extensions for trading pairs are correct for the trade copier to work properly. You may also have to map settings for indices to ensure proper copying. Specifically, this is for US 30, NASDAQ 100 and S&P 500. Be sure to get your broker's correct symbols for these. The final step to getting set up is to turn on your trade copier so that it actively starts copying Akeelah's trades. Click on the Copier Mode button under Trade Copier. Turn the Copier Mode to On, and you are now set up to start copying trades from AkeelahTraders. Congratulations! You are now set up for Akeelah's copy trading. You will be joining a host of other traders who are copying our trades and taking advantage of our experienced trading team and our advanced AI systems. Your account will automatically become a clone of Akeelah's trading. It will copy all trades taken by the Akeelah team and our advanced AI system. So every time we take a buy or sell, that exact same trade will be copied to your MT4 account. You will be buying when we buy and selling when we sell automatically. Can you imagine the freedom? You don't have to worry about dealing with any of the market stresses or trying to figure out what to trade and when. You can go about your day knowing that a competent team and system are managing all trades for you. All copy trading is summarized on a monthly basis. At the end of the month, the total profit you gain from copying Akeelah's trades will be determined and your profit split will be calculated. The billing method you used when you created your copy trading account will be charged for your profit splits. As mentioned previously, this copy trading system is a joint partnership between you and Akeelah, and the profit split is an even 50-50 split between the Akeelah team and you. So in essence, you fund your MT4 account, we do all of the work of trading and managing, and we split the profits. What a great partnership. You will be able to see the performance of Akeelah's trading accounts, profits, losses, etc. in your dashboard at trade.akeelah.io. So let's look at an example to show in more detail how the system works. Let's say you deposit $2,000 into your MT4 account. You attach your account to AkeelahTraders to copy our trades. There are other traders copying trades as well. But again, your individual gains will be based on the amount in your MT4 account. Now let's assume the account is traded over a period of time and we're able to make a 20% increase. The profit is split 50-50, so 10% would go to you and 10% to the Akeelah team. The 10% for the Akeelah team will be billed to your payment method that you used when you set up your copy trade account. In this example, our trading would have gained 20% profits or $400. So, after the profit split, you would have earned a passive income of $200. You can either withdraw these funds from your MT4 account or leave them there to compound for the next month's copy trading. It's your choice. We hope this gives you a good overview of how our copy trading system works and how you can benefit by partnering with Akeelah. If you have any questions, please contact us via email at contact@akeelah.io or on Telegram at AkeelahTraders. If you're ready to partner with Akeelah to take advantage of this opportunity, visit trade.akeelah.io and create your account. For more details about Akeelah, our online learning center, and our advanced AI trading systems, you can visit us on our website, akeelah.io, on Telegram at Akeelah Official, or on YouTube at AkeelahTraders. We are looking forward to you partnering with us and are excited about the opportunity to serve you.